Hey guys, this is Lim with Lim Reviews, and if this is your first time here on my channel, welcome to the channel. I usually post 1 or 2 videos maybe each week, and today I have something that is very exciting. Here I have the Black Shark 2, and the reason why I'm so excited about this device is because this is the so-called frozen gray version. So I've seen a lot of videos online that is mostly the black version, but I've never seen the frozen gray version. So as you all probably know, this phone comes with the top specifications. It comes with the Snapdragon 855. Mine comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. So this thing should be a monster, but today we're just going to take a quick look at the device itself. We're going to go through the unboxing and let me just show you guys what's in the box. So without further ado, let me just open this. Alright guys, so upon opening the box, here you have this pretty interesting card which says loading. So let's just put this away and immediately you're greeted with the device. Wow, this is really something really unique. Alright, let me just put this here for 1 second. We'll take a quick look at it in a while. We just want to see what else is in the box. So let me just pull this off. Alright, so I'm guessing there's a silicone case in here. Yeah, there you go. You have a transparent silicone case. What else do we have in the box? We have a charger, and it says here cable, so definitely it's the cable. Let's see if it comes with any hands-free. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with any hands-free, so it's just the charger and cable in here. Alright, but the main star of the show today is the Black Shark 2 in frozen gray. Wow, this looks really nice. I mean, it looks so aluminum-ish. Let me just take this plastic off so we can get a closer look. Wow, this is really nice. I mean, take a look at this, guys. Let me just bring it close up so you guys can see it. It feels really good too. This is like, it feels like aluminum, and wow, I'm just at a loss of words right now because just take a look at this, guys. My goodness, what a nice looking device here. So let me just show you the sides. So this is where they have the LED strip and you have your buttons here. So at the top it is a really clean design. It feels like a whole chunk of aluminum in my hand. It looks really good, guys. At the sides here you can see it is slightly green. So the combination of colors here is like silver with some greenish along the sides, and yeah, what do you guys think? I'm just going to power this on for now and show you guys more on the device. So now that I've got the device powered up, let me just show you guys a bit more around this device. So from the front you can see that there is a slight forehead or whatever you want to call that, and of course you get a little chin at the bottom as well. It is very symmetrical, so that shouldn't be a big issue. If you're the kind of person who needs like a bezel-less display, of course this is not really for you. You can have the Mi 9 for that, but let's put the Mi 9 aside for now. It's not the star of the show. This is the star of the show. So flipping this to the back, I also realized that we can actually change the colors for the logo at the back here. You can also have it like glowing in a different color, or you have this rainbow effect which you see right now. The colors are just switching by its own. This is a purely RGB lighting, so you can have all kinds of colors that you like on the logo at the back here. And at the sides here, I also found out that if you play music or if you're playing some games, these side LEDs actually light up according to the rhythm of your song. So it's really cool to see. Let me just play a clip for you guys real quick. So there you see it, the LED strip lighting up and dancing around for you. Overall, I'm just really impressed with this device. I mean, the build quality is so good. It feels great in hand. It doesn't feel like glass all these days, which you get with the Mi 9, but this is actually like a full chunk of aluminum right here. And I don't know what the exact materials are. I'm still learning about this device just along with you guys. So please pardon me if I make any mistakes. But right now, everything looks pretty cool. We still have this shark button, which when you toggle it, is like the button on the OnePlus, but so when you toggle it, it actually goes into this gaming mode. There you go. So this effect is pretty cool. You can only turn it off if you toggle it off again. So let's go in again, and there you go. Pretty cool, right? So far I haven't tried any games on it yet. I will continue to download some stuff and give you guys my full thoughts on the device. But overall, this is blazing quick. I mean, this is definitely expected because it comes with the latest processor, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage. This is basically maxed out. And overall, I'm just having such great impressions here. There is this launcher that I'm not sure if you guys will like it, but it's very gaming oriented. We have this everything in black and green. And of course, everything here is in dark mode. So you guys probably love this. So far everything is great here and I'm really digging the Black Shark too. So please stay tuned for my full review. I will tell you guys more about this device after I've played more games on it and tried it out in person. Yeah, but that's it so far for this video, guys. If there is anything in specific that you would like to ask me, please let me know in the comment sections below and definitely I will get to it right away. Alright guys, and that's it for the quick look at the Black Shark 2 today. Before we end, I just want to bring my Xiaomi 9 and just put it side by side. So which design do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the Mi 9 or the Black Shark 2? Let me know in the comment sections below. I think both actually looks pretty damn amazing. Just a quick look here, some close-ups. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, alright? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!